Keeping your address up to date with Social Security is crucial for receiving important documents, benefits, and notifications without delay. If you've recently moved or are planning to relocate, updating your address ensures you don't miss out on vital information such as benefit statements, Medicare cards, or other official correspondence. Not updating your address can lead to missed payments or even identity verification issues. In this video, we'll walk you through the fastest and most convenient ways to change your address with Social Security so you can stay connected and avoid unnecessary hassles. Let's get started by understanding why this process matters. Anyone receiving Social Security benefits, whether it's retirement, disability, or supplemental security income, SSI, should update their address whenever they move. This also applies to those enrolled in Medicare or anyone who has an account with the Social Security Administration. Keeping your information current is not just a recommendation, it's a requirement to ensure you continue receiving your benefits and official communications. Even if you're only temporarily relocating, it's wise to notify Social Security to avoid any interruptions. Now, let's look at the fastest ways to make this change. The quickest and most convenient way to change your address with Social Security is online through your personal My Social Security account. This secure portal allows you to update your address in just a few minutes, right from your computer or smartphone. Simply log in, navigate to the My Profile section, and select Update Contact Information. Enter your new address, review the details, and confirm the change. This method is available 24/7, so you can update your information at any time without waiting in line or on hold. Let's break down the steps for you. To begin, visit the official Social Security website and log in to your My Social Security account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register using your personal information, such as your Social Security number, email address, and a few security questions. The registration process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll have access to a range of services, including the ability to update your address, check your benefits, and review your earnings record. Let's move on to the next step. After logging in, look for the My Profile or Personal Information section within your account dashboard. This is where you can view and edit your contact information, including your mailing address. The interface is user-friendly, with clear labels and instructions guiding you through the process. If you have trouble finding the section, use the search or help feature on the website for quick assistance. Once you're in the right place, you're ready to enter your new address details. In the My Profile section, you'll see your current address displayed. Click on the option to update or change your address. Carefully enter your new address, making sure all details are accurate, including apartment numbers, city, state, and zip code. Double-check your entries to avoid any mistakes that could delay your mail or benefits. Once you're satisfied, proceed to review and confirm the changes. This step is essential for ensuring your information is up to date. Before finalizing your address change, the system will prompt you to review your new information. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm, save the changes. You'll typically receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your address has been updated. This confirmation is your assurance that Social Security has received your new address and will use it for all future correspondence. Let's explore what to do if you can't access your account online. If you're unable to update your address online, you can call the Social Security Administration directly. The national toll-free number is 1-800-772-1213. Representatives are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time. When you call, be prepared to verify your identity by providing your Social Security number, date of birth, and other personal information. This method is reliable, though you may experience wait times during peak hours. Let's see how to prepare for the call. Before calling Social Security, gather all necessary information to verify your identity. This includes your Social Security number, date of birth, current address, and any recent benefit statements. Having these details ready will make the process smoother and faster. When you reach a representative, clearly state your reason for calling and provide your new address. The representative will confirm the update and may provide a reference number for your records. Let's move on to another option for updating your address. For those who prefer face-to-face assistance or need extra help, you can visit your local Social Security office to update your address. Bring a valid photo ID, your Social Security card, and any relevant documents. Office staff will guide you through the process and ensure your information is updated accurately. While this method is effective, be aware that wait times can vary, and some offices may require an appointment. Let's discuss how to find your nearest office. To locate your nearest Social Security office, use the Office Locator tool on the official SSA website. Enter your zip code, and the tool will provide the address, phone number, and office hours for your local branch. It's a good idea to call ahead and check if you need an appointment, as some offices may have specific requirements or limited walk-in availability. Planning ahead can save you time and ensure a smooth visit. When visiting a Social Security office, make sure to bring a government-issued photo ID, your Social Security card, and any documents related to your benefits or recent address. Having these items ready will help the staff verify your identity and process your request quickly. If you're updating your address on behalf of someone else, you may need additional documentation, such as a power of attorney or proof of guardianship. Let's review some tips for a successful visit. Arrive early to avoid long lines and consider scheduling an appointment if your local office allows it. Double-check that you have all necessary documents before leaving home. Be prepared to answer questions about your identity and address change. If you have mobility issues or need special assistance, call ahead to ensure accommodations are available. Office staff are there to help, so don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about any part of the process. If you receive Supplemental Security Income, SSI, you must report your new address directly to Social Security, even if you update it online. SSI benefits are based on your living situation, so accurate address information is essential. You can report your address change by phone, in person, or through your My Social Security account. Be sure to update your address as soon as you move to avoid any disruption in your benefits. If you're enrolled in Medicare, updating your address with Social Security will automatically update your information with Medicare as well. This ensures you receive important Medicare documents, such as new cards or plan information, at your correct address. There's no need to contact Medicare separately, just make sure your Social Security records are current. Let's look at how address changes affect your benefits. Your address determines where Social Security sends your benefit payments and official mail. If your address is incorrect, you could miss important notices or even have your payments delayed. For SSI recipients, your address can also affect the amount you receive, since benefits are based on your living arrangements. Keeping your address up to date helps ensure you receive the correct benefits on time and stay informed about any changes to your account. You should update your address with Social Security as soon as you know your new address, ideally before you move. This helps prevent any gaps in communication or benefit delivery. If you're planning a temporary move, such as a seasonal relocation, it's still important to notify Social Security. Keeping your address current ensures you receive all mail and payments without interruption, no matter where you are. If you forget to update your address and miss important mail or payments, contact Social Security immediately to correct your information. You may need to verify your identity and provide your new address. The sooner you update your records, the faster you can resolve any issues and resume normal benefit delivery. Don't wait until a problem arises. Proactive updates are always best. If you manage Social Security benefits for someone else as a representative payee, you are responsible for updating their address as well. Use the same methods online, by phone, or in person to report the new address. Make sure you have the beneficiary's information and any required documentation when making the update. Keeping their records current is essential for uninterrupted benefit delivery. If you live outside the United States and receive Social Security benefits, you must report address changes to the Federal Benefits Unit or the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate. The process may vary depending on your country of residence, so check the Social Security website for specific instructions. Keeping your address current is especially important for international recipients to avoid payment disruptions. When updating your address online, always use the official Social Security website and avoid clicking on links from unsolicited emails or messages. Make sure your connection is secure and never share your login credentials with anyone. If you receive suspicious communications claiming to be from Social Security, report them immediately. Protecting your personal information is key to preventing identity theft and fraud. Address changes made online are usually effective immediately, while updates made by phone or in person may take a few days to process. You'll receive confirmation once your new address is on file. If you don't receive a confirmation or notice any delays in your mail, contact Social Security to check the status of your update. Timely updates help ensure you don't miss any important communications. If you move more than once, simply repeat the address update process each time. There's no limit to how often you can update your address with Social Security. Keeping your information current is the best way to ensure uninterrupted benefits and timely mail delivery. Make it a habit to update your address as soon as you know you're moving. If you receive your Social Security benefits via direct deposit, updating your address does not affect your bank account information. However, it's still important to keep your address current for official mail and tax documents. If you need to change your bank details, you can do so through your My Social Security account or by contacting Social Security directly. You can use a P.O. box as your mailing address with Social Security as long as it's where you receive your mail. However, you may still need to provide your physical address for identity verification purposes. Make sure both addresses are accurate and up to date in your records to avoid any confusion or delays in receiving important documents. If you're updating the address for a child receiving Social Security benefits, the process is similar to updating your own. The parent or guardian should use their My Social Security account, call, or visit an office to report the new address. Be prepared to provide the child's Social Security number and any necessary documentation to verify your relationship and authority to make changes. If you're handling the affairs of a deceased Social Security beneficiary, you should notify Social Security of their passing and update any address information as needed. This helps prevent incorrect mailings and ensures proper handling of benefits. Contact Social Security by phone or in person and be ready to provide a copy of the death certificate and your relationship to the deceased. If you've changed your name due to marriage, divorce, or another reason, you should update your name with Social Security before changing your address. This ensures your records are consistent and prevents delays in processing your address update. Bring legal documents, such as a marriage certificate or court order, when making these changes in person. After updating your address, you can check the status by logging into your My Social Security account or calling the SSA. Look for confirmation messages or updated information in your profile. If you notice any discrepancies or haven't received confirmation, reach out to Social Security for assistance. Staying proactive helps ensure your records are always accurate. If you receive more than one type of Social Security benefit, such as retirement and disability, updating your address once will update it for all your benefits. There's no need to report separately for each benefit type. This streamlined process makes it easy to keep all your records current with a single update. If you have power of attorney for someone receiving Social Security benefits, you may need to provide additional documentation when updating their address. Social Security does not automatically recognize power of attorney, so be prepared to show proof of your authority, such as a court order or representative payee status. Contact SSA for guidance on the required paperwork. Active duty military members and their families should update their address with Social Security when relocating. Use the same methods online, phone, or in person to ensure your benefits and mail follow you to your new location. Keeping your address current is especially important for those who move frequently due to military assignments. If you're a college student receiving Social Security benefits, update your address when moving to or from campus. This ensures you receive all official mail and benefit statements at the correct location. Use your My Social Security account, call, or visit an office to report the change. Keeping your address current is especially important if you move between home and school frequently. If you spend part of the year in a different location, such as a winter or summer home, update your address with Social Security each time you move. You can switch back and forth as needed, ensuring your mail and benefits always reach you. This flexibility helps you stay connected no matter where you are. If you have a legal guardian, they are responsible for updating your address with Social Security. The guardian should provide proof of guardianship and your new address using any of the available update methods. Keeping your records current ensures you continue to receive benefits and official mail without interruption. Double-check your new address for accuracy before submitting it to Social Security. Common mistakes include typos, missing apartment numbers, or incorrect zip code. These errors can delay your mail or cause important documents to be lost. Always review your information carefully and keep a record of your confirmation for future reference. If your move is temporary, such as for a few months, you should still update your address with Social Security. You can change it back when you return to your permanent residence. Keeping your address current, even for short-term moves, ensures you don't miss any important mail or benefit payments. Remember, updating your address with Social Security does not automatically update your information with other government agencies, such as the IRS or DMV. You'll need to contact each agency separately to ensure all your records are current. Keeping all your information up to date helps prevent issues with taxes, driver's licenses, and other benefits. If you need help updating your address, Social Security offers support through their website, phone lines, and local offices. You can also find helpful guides and FAQs online. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or encounter any issues during the process. Assistance is available to ensure your information is updated correctly and efficiently. After you update your address, Social Security will send a confirmation by mail or email. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you don't receive confirmation within a week or two, contact Social Security to verify that your update was processed. This step helps ensure your records are accurate and up to date. Life changes happen, and you may need to update your address more than once. Social Security allows you to update your address as often as needed. Each time you move, follow the same process to ensure your records stay current and you continue receiving all important communications and benefits. Always keep your Social Security information private and secure. Use strong passwords for your online account. and never share your login details with anyone. Be cautious of scams or phishing attempts that ask for your personal information. If you suspect fraud, report it to Social Security immediately to protect your benefits and identity. To recap, the fastest way to change your address with Social Security is online through your My Social Security account. If you can't access the internet, you can call the SSA or visit a local office. Each method is secure and designed to keep your information up to date. Choose the option that works best for you, and remember to update your address as soon as you move. Keeping your address current with Social Security is essential for uninterrupted benefits and timely communication. Use the online portal for the fastest update, or choose phone or in-person options if needed. Always double-check your information for accuracy and keep confirmation records for your files. Staying proactive with your address updates helps you avoid missed payments and important notices. Updating your address with Social Security is a simple but important task that ensures you stay connected to your benefits and official communications. Whether you choose to update online, by phone, or in person, the process is designed to be accessible and secure. Make address updates a priority whenever you move, and you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing your information is always up to date.